Hey guys, welcome back. So the iPhone 14 series is coming very soon, and this time Apple is more serious with its Pro models, where these devices will be the biggest shift in terms of design and hardware feature. Moreover, it is almost confirmed that Apple won't be launching any mini device this year. Instead, they will go with a brand new smartphone in the lineup, the iPhone 14 Max. So this year, Apple is more likely focusing on the Pro models only, where you will see the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max with maxed out hardware and features. Famous leaker Ming Chico says that only the Pro models will be getting the next-gen Apple's A16 Bionic CPU based on TSMC's fabrication, whereas the lower models, the standard iPhone 14 and 14 Max, will get the A15 Bionic with full 5-core GPU. Now the reason behind mentioning the full 5-core GPU is last year the iPhone 13 and 13 mini had 4-core GPU only, whereas the Pro models had 5-core GPU. So in normal usage, both were awesome, but in terms of graphics intensive work, the Pro models were very powerful. Ming Chico also says that all the iPhone 14 lineup will be upgraded to 6GB of RAM, but here's a catch as well. The standard models will get the older low-speed LPDDR4X RAM, whereas the high-speed LPDDR5 RAM will be exclusive to Pro devices only. Now some news regarding the display panels. The standard iPhone 14 and 14 Max will get 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch display with only 60Hz refresh rate, which is kinda shocker because both of these devices are flagship level phones with high-end hardware, and even budget Android phones are also coming with 120Hz OLED panels. These iPhone variants in 2022 are still stuck at 60Hz displays. Moreover, the Pro devices will get a 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch with 120Hz ProMotion displays. So here is the BOE display panel with pill-shaped hole punch design, which is currently in the testing phase. And here is a reference photo that shows how it may look like in comparison to the last year's iPhone notch. Moving on, last week we also saw a new 30-watt power adapter by Apple coming soon with a latest form factor. Apple will most likely bring this adapter with the iPhone 14 series later this year. Further, with the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, Apple is expected to add a fresh 48 megapixel sensor as a primary shooter. Not only this, Apple is also expected to introduce the 8K video recording option with these devices, which is definitely a great move. As of now, we can only imagine how well Apple can optimize this new sensor according to their taste, and this is the first time where Apple will be using more than 12 megapixel sensor on any of its iPhones. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section about the iPhone 14 lineup. If you end up liking this information, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.